Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you the reduction reaction of Indigo Carmine. Check this out. All I'm using in this investigation are a couple of graduated cylinders, sodium hydroxide, Indigo Carmine, and dextrose. Begin by adding 4 grams of sodium hydroxide to 200 milliliters of water. Stir it until it becomes an aqueous solution. The second step is to stir in 8 grams of dextrose to 400 milliliters of warm water. Next, add a very small amount of Indigo Carmine to your mixture of dextrose. Okay, now you're ready to add the 2 solutions. So I'm going to pour in my aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide, and you'll see it start to turn green. Now if you let it set for a minute, amazing different color changes will occur. Check this. Okay, so to let you observe these amazing color changes, I'm going to pour my solution into this flask so I can shake it. Watch what happens when I pour it. It's changing color again. Look at that. It's turning from yellow to red. How's that possible? Look at that. It's amazing. Now, some people call this the traffic light experiment. You know, a traffic light has colors red, yellow, and green. Well, right now it's yellow, but watch what happens when I shake it a little bit. It turns green, and if I shake it some more, watch what happens. Here's a closer view. Right now it's yellow. Now it's red. If I shake it some more, it goes from red to green. Isn't that amazing? All 3 colors, yellow, red, and green. There's the red again. And I'll just let it set and it'll slowly turn back to yellow. So this is an oxidation reduction reaction. So through electron transfer, the color changes. So right now, the dextrose, which is the sugar in the solution, has reduced the indigo carmine to this yellow color. But when I shake it, the oxygen in the top part of the flask oxidizes the indigo carmine and slowly changes its color to red. Then if I shake it some more, it oxidizes it to green. Now what's so neat about this experiment is that if you just let it stand, it's reversible, and slowly the dextrose, that sugar, will reduce the color back to yellow again. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.